Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've protected this 2022 BMW 8 Series with a Starline Pro. So a thief clones this key, tries to steal the vehicle. They try and start it up, vehicle's just not going to start. We'll try again, it's not going to start. So the way the customer can start this is foot off the brake, triple press of the start button, pop their disarm code in, 1, 2, 3, we've set for now. Hear a melody, they can start the vehicle up and drive it. If the customer's not a fan of PIN codes, this can also be paired to their phone using Bluetooth. So we'll just show you that. So we'll turn the Bluetooth on the customer's phone. Starline key app we can see is connected, so this can be locked and in their pocket. All they got to do, hop in and start it. Hear their melody because the phone's paired, and they can select their gear. There we go. If the customer wanted to take this for a service, they can go into the Starline key app that we've just shown you. Press and hold on here. Go from green to yellow. When it does let go, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go. This is a normal car, so when BMW get it, no code, no phone. When you get it back, just same thing in reverse. Press and hold, back to green, and it'll be protected again. There we go. So now it's protected. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We'll protect your vehicle. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching. As you can see, the vehicle doesn't start, so we need our PIN code.